So we made it to Daniel Boone hut area. Actually, right over that way is where our stuff is. You can't see it, but the trail's right there. We just came up to this rock overhang to kind of get out of the rain a little bit, and not sweat as much. Yeah.
If you look back here, it's like a little cave back here.
It's got a little cave behind them.
Goes in. It's pretty cool.
It goes up the top of here.
Comes right through.
Pretty cool spot. We're just
big old spider web up there.
Ew. Let's make a zoom in on that. Barely pick up. Yeah, we just stopped here for a little bit of a break. We're gonna carry on. Yeah, I've never been back here.
This is really cool.
A little piece of history. Hey, look above you.
Oh wow.
I can see why Daniel Boone decided to make camp here.
Nice little spot to post.
Yeah. Imagine what it looked like back then. You know what I mean? Like how it used to be.
Oh yeah.
Like
all this dirt that put there.
yeah, because I doubt like it was like this exactly.
Grass. None of this was here. This was all exposed.
Imagine being down
Nothing
here
stable.
at a torrential downpour, how much water would just trickle off that.
Yeah. Set yourself a bucket out there, you'd have water for days.
Oh yeah, easily.
Oh, it's mining. Oh, that's cool. Remains of wooden troughs and campfires.
D. Boone Hut. A board or shake with the name D. Boone carved on it was found in the wall of this hut by 3 Kentuckians in 1959. The discovery led to speculation that Daniel Boone camped in this rock shelter. Attempts to accurately date the time of hut construction have met with little success. An archaeological study yet to be made may offer clues to this puzzle and help reconstruct other historical events. I want to know, where's that piece of wood? I doubt it's here. It's probably in some museum somewhere. It's kind of neat to think that Daniel Boone stayed in here.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Looks like this was like maybe a little maybe fire pits or something. See how it looked like it was formed into a fire pit or a stove.
That's definitely man-made.
Stove they used to cook. And it says here that they used this area to get sandstone for gunpowder.
Oh,
They were
nice.
mining for gunpowder.
Mining for gunpowder?
Yeah, they used potassium nitrate is what they were mining for. And used the potassium nitrate to make gunpowder.
Is that for the Civil War?
Civil War, yep. It says here, Civil War Lexington had 6 powder mills operating in 1810.
Wow.
Crazy.
Little piece of history. Didn't even know about that.
Crazy.
And it just goes on, but I think that's where it ends right there. Super cool.
This is really neat.
Oh yeah, for sure. Definitely one of the more unique places in the gorge. Alright, well, it's about 12 o'clock.
Time to hit the road.
Time to hit the road. Still got miles to go. Or maybe not. Who knows? we'll see.
We'll see how it plays out.
Yeah.
Gray's Arch picnic area. Given the time and the detour we had to take, we decided to pass over Gray's Arch. Yeah, we're not seeing no orange right now. So instead we're going to hit Chimney Trail to Rush Ridge Trail, and we're just going to go from there.
I did too. I think they were back behind us somewhere. Yeah. I hear people. I shouldn't, but I do.
Get away from us.
So we're right now we're on the Chimney Trail. We're probably about to hit up with the junction of the Rush Ridge Trail. We're probably gonna take that Back to the rough trail. Still raining.
Still raining.
Still raining. This is the trail. It's a mini stream.
A little swamp-like, some would say.
A little swamp-like, yeah. Oh, well, here we are.
Swamp.
Swampy and junctiony.
A swampy junction.
So, Gray's Arch picnic area. We just came from there a quarter mile ago. Does that feel like a quarter mile to you?
No.
I didn't think so.
Pinch them tight.
Pitch them tight. That sounds gay.
That wasn't PC. Edit that out.
JCT trail.
So junction.
Junction with the rough trail. A mile and a quarter.
Daniel, going back to Daniel Boone will be left.
Junction with rough trail.
Rush Ridge is where we were wanting to go, right?
Yeah, Rush
So we're gonna
Ridge.
take a left.
We're gonna go this way for 1 mile, meet back up the rough trail, and go from there. Oh, I just stepped in this puddle of water. I feel like it lined up a little bit to where I could pull out this camcorder instead of this Aki action camera.
Yeah, I can get on Snapchat. Here at the gorge. Beautiful up here.
Along the Rush Ridge Trail. This direction we came. Heading that way. Rain finally let up a bit, which is nice. Well, here we are.
Oh wow, look at that there.
Yeah. Still on the Rush Ridge Trail. Whoa. Yeah, dude.
Pretty cool.
I like this little patch in front of us of all the different colors. Red and orange, yellow, green. That's pretty cool. Look, you can kind of see a cave over there on the rock wall. 2 of them. Ain't it though? I'm glad we took it. It did cut out about 2.5 miles and seeing Gray's Arch and going up and down. But at least we got time to recuperate and
Yeah, we still got some really good views.
yeah, we got views and
The trail's nice. We don't.
yeah, it's nice and mainly flat-ish.
It's just like real relaxed.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm just like back home in the woods. Just talking.
Yeah, it's a nice, easily stroll.
Yeah. This leisure hike.
It's a nice leisure hike. Hiking along.
Just stop hiking along.
Still on the Rush Ridge Trail. Probably about to make it back to the Rush Trail. I'd imagine somewhat soon. This does look a little familiar, like it's toward the end. I don't know if that's rainfall or if that's wind making the leaves drip.
But we're in here, so I don't care.
Yeah, exactly. Nice Yeah.
It doesn't feel like there's anyone from mine. So
Yeah.
then it tricks you because then randomly out of nowhere.
Oh yeah, there'll be somebody that shoots out behind a tree somewhere.
That's a cool looking one.
Yeah, that's cute. I like it.
Rock, kill. Rock, kill, kill.
Yeah. Well, we made it to a little chill spot right past the junction of Rush Ridge and Rough Trail. I've camped here before. It was about 5 years ago, actually. Last time I was through here. Camped right here. Not supposed to, but... Well, we didn't really camp. We kind of like got our tents out. We kind of like took turns taking naps during the night. You know? Pretty cool. Started to rain a little bit, but yeah. Gonna carry on the rough trail. Stop here for a little bit, eat some food, snack or something, and then probably carry on. See where we end up. Actually, since I'm talking to you, whoever is listening out there in the YouTube world, or myself in the next 5 years when I go back and watch this.
That's more than likely.
Yeah, that's more than likely it. And then we're gonna watch this. So we parked here at Martins Fork, came down, came up to the Daniel Boone hut area, followed up the Gray's Arch, and we took pitch and tight to Rush Ridge Trail. We just hit this junction, and we came down to the spot we're at now, and then we're gonna carry on, come to here, see what time frame we're on, what we're working with. We might carry on down to here to Koomer Ridge Trail Junction and camp, come out the next day, or we might just come swing over this way to Ooh La La Rock and make camp there for the night. So we'll see.
In the woods? I thought I saw Daryl. I thought I saw Daryl. Nah. Oh yeah, like the string is from the cinch buckle. Oh here, hold on, let me shove this up in here somewhere, yeah. Yeah, there you go. All good. We're good. I could have sworn I saw Daryl. Oh. Okay then. Alright. Mushrooms. That is awesome. Trippy mushrooms all the way. The mile and a half back that way is actually Gray's Arch picnic area where we, yeah, a couple miles ago. Yeah, so, still raining. I'm sure you can probably already tell on the camera now. The part that the Sheltowee Trace runs along, that long distance trail that runs through like all of Kentucky. That Sheltowee Trace trail that I was telling you about, that long distance trail that goes through the Daniel Boone National Forest, this is part of that trail. And it's kind of cool, they have markers. Like here, if you notice, it's a lot of diamonds, like trail markers on the trees. On the Sheltowee, their markers are turtles. Yeah. You know how? This is called Signature Rock, if you can't tell. A lot of time. Well, this is like sandstone too. more of a view, like these trees weren't even here. This was 5 years ago, last time I was here, so these very well could have grown within 5 years. Yeah. I just remember there being more of a view right here. Unless this is a different spot, but I'm pretty sure this is it. I know. Like, seriously. And look, the trail is right here because we just came from right there. Now we're going this way. This is ridiculous. Yeah. Get together, people. See, I've gone up this one time and I'm like, I ain't doing that again. I'm going down it from now on. Yeah. I will hike 2 miles out of my way to avoid going up this hill. This is ridiculous. Gosh, man, I'm so glad we're going down this. Yeah. Oh, I'm not gonna ask. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm not even gonna ask. I don't want to ask. You can. I'll meet you at the top. Here, let me hike 5 miles around out of the way. We are getting close to the junction where we're gonna start looking for a camp spot. These nose hairs good? We just crossed this creek twice. Now we're heading this way. Trying to find the junction. Got any boogers? Oh look, no camping here. Good. It's the way it needs to be. You know, may as well run on the trail. Yeah. Probably the best course of action. Oh, you gotta love that. Look at them steps. Man. It's a sight for sore eyes. Yeah, it does. Could be worse. Could be like 95 degrees outside. It's only like 68 degrees, 67 degrees. Spotted salamander. What's up? Huh. Yeah. You don't see those every day. Saw a salamander today. Yep. We're starting to slow down. It's not just because of the uphill that we decided to do. Just figured to come to the top of this and then find a camp spot, and that'd be it. Well, One less hill we gotta do tomorrow. Big old rock. Found it. Did it. Found home. Whew. Let's see what time it is. It's gotta be after 4:30. 4:49.
Nice. We made it even earlier.
We made it before 5 o'clock.
And we went further.
And we went further, yeah. You know what? I'll take it, dude.
Got here before.
We're not having a fire tonight. It's been raining all day. Oh, heck yeah, I'll take it. Down home. Let's take a break and get set up. I made it. This is our setup. Gotta love hot tea. Got our little setup here. Tent. Got the tarp with a little dry area. Man, I'm more out. Trail. We came from way down there. Followed up Koomer Ridge Trail from the rough trail. Went up the hill and found this little spot. Nooked back behind the trail. I just had to take it. The trail keeps going up straight. Eventually goes to the top. And then it carries on to the ridge, and we'll find the buck trail from there. Yep, that's the setup for tonight.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. This tea is delicious.
These pillows comfy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. They're comfy.
Oh. Got a little setup here. Oh boy. And let's see what time it is. 6:14.
Nice. Picked the spot and already settled in.
Yeah. We have probably did about, I don't know, 5-6 miles a day. Give or take. I'll have to check on that. Yep. Tomorrow's another day. We got rest of Koomer Ridge Trail, Buck Trail, Pitch 'em Tight Trail, back to the rough trail of Martins Fork. In case you're wondering, it's sprinkling, but it's going to pick up tonight and rain all night until tomorrow. We need to make the video before you get naked.
Alright, fine. Make it quick.
Alright, I will. As I sit here and not say anything.
As I said here, I do nothing.
Yeah, you know how it goes. It is almost 8 o'clock in the morning. It's raining. Again, still. Slept like a baby. Now we're just getting ready, packing the backpacks up. Gonna pack the backpacks up. Drag this tent underneath this tarp. Take the tent down. Then take the tarp down. And unfortunately, that's when we put on the backpacks and then we get out of here. The trail is that way. I don't know how much I'll be able to film on this camera because it's raining, but the other camera I can only film about 6 or 7 more minutes before the memory card is full. I found that out last night when I was having a hard time fidgeting.
Fidgeting is an understatement.
Yeah, I was a little sporadic.
I don't know what you were doing.
Yeah, not gonna lie. That was a little sporadic. But, yep. It's almost 8 o'clock. Almost out of here.
Woot woot.
Got about what, 5 miles, 4.5?
4.9 to be exact.
4.9 miles to the car. But fun. It's gonna rain.
Good time.
Oh heck yeah.
Ooh la la rock. La la.
Yeah, man. campsite. It's out of here. We're out of here. Yeah. River Ridge still. There's been mushrooms everywhere down here. Everywhere. Made it to Koomer Ridge. So we just came off of. Now we're gonna be heading the Buck Trail. This is Pitch and Tie Trail, 1.5 miles. There's a camp spot up there. I've seen that in the video before. So that would've worked. Well, we made it up to top of Buck Trail. Now we're on Pitch and Tight. 1.25 Tunnel Ridge. I think I had service, my phone just vibrated. Well, we're back on the Sheltoe. Head back towards Gray's Arch picnic area. Chimney Arch parking lot. Heading toward Martins Fork now, so I won't bore you with the rest of this because we've already basically seen this, but yeah, see you back in the car. Yeah.
What time do you think it is? 12:30ish? 12:30ish on a Sunday?
12:30 on a Sunday. Just got out of church.
Just got out of church. Yeah, came down through this way. Kind of found this rock overhang. Just kind of chilling under it, taking a break, eating a snack.
Chowing down some sunflower seeds.
Yeah, chowing down. So this morning, woke up around this area, hiked down Koomer Ridge to the Buck Trail, made our way down. We came up it to the Pitch and Tie Trail, made our way across to the road to Gray's Arch. Now we're made our way around. Now we're somewhere down in here, about to meet back up with Martins Fork. Back to the car. So yeah, we're right around here somewhere. All in all, total mileage, probably said and done, 11.1 miles. Heck yeah. Starting to get steamy.
Yeah.